Hello everyone, welcome to very first session of Python. So in this section, I will brief you about Python introduction and its features. Plus, I will let you know how to install Python in your system. So let's start without any delay. So as you know, Python was created by Guido van Rossum, and this language was released in 1991. So Python can be used to follow both procedural approach and object-oriented approach of programming, and it is free to use. Now let's look to the few important Python features. Some of the features which make Python so popular are as follows. It is a general purpose programming language which can be used for both uh, scientific and non-scientific programming language, and it is a platform independent programming language. Means this language provides support for various operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. It is very simple, high level language with vast library of add-on modules, and it is excellent for beginners as this language is interpreted, means it uses interpreter. That means it gives the immediate result of the command and statement. The program written in Python are easily readable and understandable. Few examples of the companies which using Python these days are like Google search engine, you might be aware, YouTube, this is the most popular these days, BitTorrent, which is used for peer-to-peer file sharing, also written using Python. Intel, Cisco, HP, IBM, etc. use Python for hardware testing. Maya provides a Python scripting API. iRobot also use Python to develop commercial robot. NASA and other use Python for their scientific programming tasks. So before starting, all of you should know what is a program. So let's summarize this. Let's recall what is program. A program is a sequence of instructions that specify how to perform a computation, and the computation might be mathematical or working with text. So any kind of computation. Okay. So to write and run Python program, we need to have Python interpreter installed in our computer. So here comes IDLE into picture. So you should know what is IDLE and how to install it. So IDLE is basically a GUI, graphic user interface, is the standard most popular Python development environment. IDLE is acronym of Integrated Development Environment. As I explained, it lets edit, run, browse, and debug Python program from a single interface. So it is an integrated development environment where you can write, edit, browse, and debug your program at single platform. This environment make it easy to write programs since it facilitate all the options of running, browsing, and debugging Python program. So that's why we prefer ideally to write our Python program. So here we will be using version 3.6, or you can install latest version of the Python ideally and of Python to develop and run Python code in this course. It can be downloaded from the Python org. This is the official site of the Python. So one way to install ideally is to install Python from official Python www.org, and you can download the latest Python version from the website for different operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac. Whatever operating system you have, as per that you can install Python. Okay, so let's give look on Python org. So I am opening here. So when you click on official site of Python, a screen like this will come. Okay. So here you can see the various version of Python. So for that, you click on downloads. Okay. So the latest version of Python is 3.9.2. Okay. And you can install any of these versions Okay, these are the various releases of Python. So in my system, this 3.6 is installed. Okay, but you can install the latest version, which is released on 19 Feb 3.9.2. So there is merely few differences. Okay, so from here you can install. So when you click on this, so it will show you the link to download. So from there you can install the Python. So once you install the Python, then it will show you a integrated development environment that I will going to show you right now. Let me close this tab. Okay, I will show you from the starting. Okay, so let's see how the IDLE environment looks like. So here, when you open your terminal or command window on the window screen, so here I have Linux Ubuntu operating system. So on Linux Ubuntu, the screen will look like this. So here simply you need to type IDLE. So when you type IDLE, this screen will come. Okay, so initially it will show you the current version of the Python. So in my system it is Python 3.6.9, plus it will show us the triple arrow, which is also known as Python prompt. So if you want to write the program, if you want to run any command in Python in interactive mode, so you can type over here. But if you want to write your Python instructions in a file, so for that you need to click on new file. Okay, so in both ways we can do our program that you will learn later. So when we run our program, we give Python command on straightforward on this prompt, we call it as interactive mode. And when we write our program in a file, then we call it as a script mode. So in this course, we will be learning both script mode and interactive mode, right? So let's go, for example, you want to write here, I want to write here, welcome to first class of Python. So print is the Python command, and here it demands the put welcome to Python class. Okay, like this we can write, and it will display us the output, welcome to the Python class. So like this we will do, and this we will do in the detail in the next class. So till then you install the Python in your system. Thank you. Bye bye.